Have you ever asked Siri for help or used Google Maps to find the fastest route? What if I told you that behind these actions, an AI agent is working to make decisions for you? But what exactly an AI agent is and how does it work? Let's break it down. What is an AI agent? An AI agent is a system that observes its environment, processes data, and makes decisions automatically. Think of it like a smart assistant that continuously learns and improves. AI agents can be simple like a calculator or more advanced like self-driven cars. Now let's look at some AI agents you use in your daily life. In our first example, we are going to have a quick look at Grammarly.com. Grammarly AI detects mistakes in your text and suggests correction instantly. Now let's go ahead and to make it short, I will create a new document and here let's paste the text that these are good example. Here in the correctness, I can see that Grammarly AI is saying that change the verb from this is good example. Go ahead and accept this. Perfect. So you can see now Grammarly AI corrected my sentence. And you could also see another option that check for plagiarism and AI text. Perfect. The next AI agent example I want to show you is the Google Map AI. Google Maps continuously analyzes its traffic and adjusts your route automatically. So this is the clear representations of best AI model. The next powerful and amazing example of AI agent I'm gonna show you is YouTube AI. Have you ever noticed that YouTube recommends only the content that you like? Because that is the AI agent that is continuously tracking your watch history. So I am on the YouTube and let me show you by refreshing the page. When I keep refreshing the page, YouTube AI agent is continuously changing the recommendations and the videos. So this is the perfect and amazing example of powerful AI YouTube uses. Now let's head over to the next AI example I want to show you is about stock market AI agents. Even stock markets use AI agents. Like on the screen, we can see that Kavout stock market predicts trends. Let's go ahead and search for Tesla. When I search for Tesla, it gives me AI-driven case scores showing how strong the stock is. If you go to advanced analysis, it also gives me charts and insights to help investors to make the decision on the basis of AI predictions. Now, the next and last most important example I want to tell you that is about self-driving cars like Tesla use AI agents to detect objects and make split-second driving decisions. Amazing. AI agents are shaping our world and making life easier every day. Which tool do you use the most? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe ITPK. See you in the next video.